In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend a DocuSign document. Let's walk through this together so you can quickly and efficiently ensure your documents reach the right hands. First, you'll want to log into your DocuSign account. Having access to your account is essential because this is where you can manage your documents and track their status. Once logged in, direct your attention to the Manage section. In some versions, you might see it labeled as Envelopes or Agreements. This is your hub for dealing with all documents in process. From here, you can filter or search for the specific envelopes that are currently in process or waiting for recipients. This is crucial because sometimes documents get lost in a sea of emails, and a gentle nudge can help push them along. After finding the envelope you're interested in, click on its name or title. Doing so will open the Details or Manage view of that envelope. Here, you'll see all the relevant information about your document, including its current status and recipient details. This section is particularly helpful because it gives you a comprehensive overview of where each document stands in the signing process. As you examine the envelope details, look for a button labeled Resend or Resend Envelope. This is your go-to tool for resending the document to all outstanding recipients. By clicking this button, you automatically trigger a resend to everyone who hasn't yet completed their part of the process. It's a simple, one-click solution to ensure your document isn't neglected. However, there might be instances where you only need to resend the document to a specific recipient rather than everyone. In this case, you'll want to use the Correct feature, which might also be labeled as Edit or Correct in some versions. Start by opening the envelope details as before. Once there, click on the Correct button. Within this Correct interface, you'll see a list of recipients. Find the recipient to whom you wish to resend the document. Beside their name, look for an option that says More or Resend/Add Private Message. Selecting this option will allow you to resend the document specifically to that person, and you can even include a personalized message if needed. It's a great way to communicate directly and ensure they know exactly what you need from them. Once you've made your selection, remember to save your changes and hit Resend. This action will ensure that only the chosen recipient receives a fresh copy of the document. By following these steps, you can easily manage your DocuSign documents and ensure timely responses. And there you have it. Now, you know how to efficiently resend DocuSign documents. These straightforward steps will help you maintain smooth communication with all your recipients. Thank you for watching, and good luck with resending your documents.